Hi, this is Rakesh Roy and you're watching Royal Technology. In this video, I'll show you how to fix if the Wi-Fi icon is missing from your task tray. So we have Windows 11, so Wi-Fi icon is not showing here. So let's follow. We'll fix the issue. Just click here, and if it is not showing, click on this edit or pen button. You can remove any task from here, also you can add. So here our Wi-Fi and few other options are. So if you want, you can add and drag it anywhere. You can manage other tasks also. Once done, click on done, and now your Wi-Fi icon is showing here. You can connect the Wi-Fi now. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. If you have any doubt, comment below.